Welcome back to Bakes Foods. In this video, the Bakes crew is in Tennessee working with our friends Aiden and Andy. Today, we're making a Boston butt over an open fire in a Dutch oven. Make sure you like and subscribe for more videos and let us know what you think in the comments section below. We got the coals going back there getting ready. We're going to use a Dutch oven, and today we are making a Boston butt roast with all the fixings.
It's gonna be good.
And we've got our Boston butt here. It's about 3 pounds, a little less. We're just going to season it up with some seasoning salt, some country bobs. Pretty thick cut of meat, so we're going to go thick. Pat it down. Right, Pat?
Absolutely.
Country Bob's has a lot of MSG. We're gonna let that just marry. We're gonna cut up our onion, broccoli, or the 1 jalapeno, and we got a leftover bag of goodies. We're just gonna throw in there. Maybe not the cucumber, but
it's gonna be good.
It's gonna be good. Yeah. It's a sweet cutting board you got, Pat.
I like it. It's my favorite.
Rough cut some onions.
Put the whole stem in.
I like the hearts.
Yeah, me too.
They're a little chewier, but they're good for you. I think there's more fiber in the bottom and then more nutrients in the flowers.
You know what I think?
It's all good.
I think they taste good. We're gonna throw this right in this Dutch oven. And we're gonna take it over to the fire. We're gonna sear it.
Use that robo.
Rebar.
No, I don't robo.
So we're gonna let our coals burn down. Now we're gonna wrap our roast in bacon. Are we gonna do that right away?
Might as well.
Yeah.
Now we're gonna wrap our roast in bacon, put it back on the fire, and then we'll add the veggies. All right, now we're gonna wrap this roast, our seared roast, in bacon. And then the one thing we wanna do actually, we locate our fat cap, which is right there. We wanna try to keep that on top. So,
Back to the wrapping.
back to the wrapping. We can tuck those ends. Oh, that'll be perfect. There we go.
More bacon is better.
The more, the baconer. I'm just gonna put this right in our pan.
Yep.
I'm gonna go put the bacon on this side. Now we're gonna put it back on the fire, off to the side, throw some coals on the top, and let it slow cook.
For how long, Jake?
It's hard to say. A couple hours.
The main ingredient.
I got some hot Gatorade today, Dad.
We're just putting enough in there to keep it from burning,
Hot Gatorade, Dad.
in case our heat gets a little too hot around the fire. It is hard to maintain temperature.
And the best part about doing that, you get to finish the beer.
Oh, nice. Let me get some of that. Put it off to the side. We're just gonna place some coals, some bigger coals on the top there, kind of around our Dutch. And we'll throw a couple logs off to the side for our future coals. This is the hardest part of slow cooking over the fire, maintaining even temperature.
We just view all day.
So up here doing our roof while we're down there cooking our roast. So I'm just gonna dump veggies there, and I'm gonna pick it back up. Oh my god. I'm gonna dump veggies under this side. This is hard to do with one hand. Don't mind a little bit of plywood in your food, that's always good. I don't think we have room for those peppers, man. I think this is gonna be...
Just put the peppers in.
Look at that.
Just put the peppers in.
We're gonna put around, we're just gonna stuff that in there good around all the sides.
You're gonna put those jalapenos on top there?
Right on top of that
Yeah. That's gonna be good.
And then what we're gonna do, because the vegetables don't have any meat, or any seasoning, we're gonna add a little bit of this little Tony's Creole seasoning, or your favorite seasoning salt and pepper, a little bit of garlic, onion, whatever you want to do. All right, here we go. Oh yeah, our coals are looking a little sad there. We're gonna freshen up these coals. Our coal bed there. Perfect. Put some on top.
That's my system filter for this.
This is night number 6. You hear the coyotes back there?
Coyotes?
Look at that sky. There's the moon bright.
They're way over on that other hill.
There's the campsite.
But where are they?
And Pat's peeing again. Damn, Pat. All right, Pat, get down there. Roof's done. Just in time for dark. All right, we've been cooking for about 4 hours, 5 hours now. And we're gonna go ahead and take this lid off and just see how our oh, that's hard to see. But that is looking. Everything is
Doing just right.
Oh yeah, those are tender. Stir them up a little bit there. Look at that. Oh yeah. She's almost done. Look at that. Look at how tender that is, you guys. All right, brother. Let's just turn it a little bit and call it good.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, there it is. All right, we're 5 hours in, guys.
Come to see what it was what.
And we're ready to check this beast out.
Yeah, the cow was born by the cow.
I don't know what you said, but yes.
Said what?
Said what?
This is the christening. This is the delidding
Come check this out.
of.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
All right, this is a roast. 5 hours in, we get the veggies in there.
Oh, look at that steam. Oh, look at that roast.
That look good. You might have to try that. That's pretty beautiful.
That is a thing of beauty. What do you think, Andy?
I'm gonna eat all of it. Will you try it for us?
Don't get done.
Katie's gonna try some. Can I lift that yet? Oh, that's still pretty hot. So let's lift it with this. All right, folks. Here is our Boston butt Dutch oven, slow cooked over the fire pot roast.
Did you
That-
see
that's-
the way that?
I don't. That's not quite even. That's
I'll
pretty.
take
Tongs
that center
just
one,
cut
man.
'em.
If you want to give me the center one.
Want the center one?
Tongs just cut it. That's
That's awesome.
awesome.
Oh. Look at this, you guys. Are you seeing this pork? That's a roast in itself.
Oh, falling apart
All right.
out of a Dutch.
Give me that skin there. A big old scoop of veggies. Look at this. Oh my God.
You're dripping juice.
I'm sorry.
Man, no, don't be sorry to me.
Sorry, table.
Be sorry to yourself. It's your juice.
Find one of them jalapenos. I want to try one
Is it good? Any good?
Hot.
Yeah, that's why I'm kind of waiting and filming you guys.
You're getting broken in again.
Dude, that crispy.
Oh, that looks hot as fuck. I do not want to put that in my mouth.
You gonna record that?
It's already recorded.
Ah.
We're gonna do a little bit. Perfectly tender.
All that flavors.
Could actually use a little bit more seasoning, but a gravy would be great. If you could cook a gravy on the side with this recipe, it's gonna be good.
I love it without.
Oh, I thought you were gonna say
No.
it's gonna be
It's
good.
not gonna be good because it is good. It's gonna be good.
It's gonna be good.
Yeah, and they'll probably put some dragon fruit in it.
Dragon fruit.
Yeah.
You have dragon fruit?
This.
Nice. And what are all of those things?
So we got oranges, dragon fruit, and cucumber.
Oranges.
Yeah.
Oranges, dragon fruit, and cucumber.
Yep.
Good stuff. Dessert.
Yeah, Rex's these and that.
This is your dessert: onion, jalapeno, broccoli, and raw pork roast.
No.
Yummy.